We have a 2020 Maserati. Today we will be replacing the driver's door glass. This glass, I don't know if you can see. Yeah, you can see. See all these cracks. We have a replacement glass that we're gonna be changing, and I want to show you the process for that. Yeah. So we're gonna remove this trim first on the door. We're gonna remove this trim right here, and then also this light trim. So in order to remove this first one, take a pick and just remove that, and it won't come out. So don't pull it hard, because it's got these hooks right here that you need to remove it. Okay, and then next you're gonna take this tray out, tray trim. All right, right there. And we'll go get this light out, the harness out. Okay. All right, so there's a 10mm bolt right here. There's two of them. Remove those. There's a 10mm inside. There's another one on this side, and another one on this side right here. Okay. A magnet will help you, if you have one available, to pull these bolts out. At that point, you should be able to pull the door panel off. Okay. Just go upwards a little bit to get the door panel off the rail, and just pull it off. And then we have to remove some of these connectors. So that's the first one. You want to remove that. Take your pick to remove that. Okay, right there. Remove the other connectors. All right, and we got one more connector over here. Okay, so the panel is out. Now we have access to this area right here, with the window bolts are going to be underneath this cover right here. So if you're able to remove the cover, go and do it. Even if you rip it apart, I mean, it's not gonna be an issue. You can just tape it back up, but try to take it off if you can properly. Yeah, the glue does not want to come off, so it's okay if... All right, so now we can see, let's see where the bolts for the glass. Here's one right here, and there's the other one right there. So we'll get these off, so glass should come off at that point. So we ran into a little bit of problem where we couldn't move the window up or down. And then we finally figured out that, you know, the door has to be closed for the window to go up and down. So we found a little trick here. You can adjust this latch right here. So it will think the door is closed, and it will let you move it up and down, adjust it to where you want it to be to get the glass out. Another thing is to get the glass out, it's actually this, and there's another one in the back, but this one is too tight, so we are going to replace the one in the back. But it's really hard to show you where it is, but it's a T30 similar to this one. It's a T30 similar to that bolt right there, but it's in the back side, so you need like a swivel tool, like something like this, ratchet with the Torx 30 on it, and with the swivel head. It will make it easier for you to get to it. So we're gonna try to remove it now. Okay, we're gonna try to attempt, like, okay, so now you can see there's a little dial in the back. Okay, once you loosen that the T30 in the back, it will let you spin this dial, which tightens the glass. So make sure once you loosen it, the glass will start sliding out. So that you need to do for both sides. And once it's loosened, the glass will slide right out. So right here we are removing the glass right now. Okay, so the old glass is out. So there's similar setup on this side here as well. Alright, so we got the replacement glass right now. We are inserting it into the track. Let's see. Kind of have to force it in, and you can see it's almost there, but it's got to slide into that bracket. Yep, there he goes on this side, and there he goes on the other side. Okay, and now we're gonna hand tighten it first. Okay, both sides. So you can see that turning. So this bracket grabs the glass. And once you hand tighten it, you need that T30 Torx bit to tighten it further. Okay, that is pretty tight over there. Now we just work on the other side. So this part is definitely more difficult because you got to tighten it from the back side. So the reason we cannot tighten here, because it was really super tight before, and then we don't want to strip this side. It's a smaller Torx bit that's needed to do that. So we tried a lot of force last time, and it was about to strip it. Alright, so we got both sides tightened up. Now at that point you can tighten the other bolts, and those are 13mm bolts. So we got the cover taped up as much as we could, so we're about to put the panel back on now. And we got to put the connector back in. All these other connectors got to come into here. Okay. All right, so we got all the connectors in. The knob for the lock got to go through here. All right, we'll put the 10mm bolts back in. So start tightening them up after you put all 4 of them in. And there's 1 bolt in here. Make sure you don't drop that bolt, because if you do, guess what? The panel's got to come off again. The tray back in, the trim back in. And that's it. Let's see if the window works. Make sure you close the latch, or well, actually it's already been closed, so yeah, the window is going up and down. So we are good.